guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Molly. Thank you for joining me. If you've been here before, you know that I do weekly meal prep videos. So they come out every Saturday, so don't forget to check them out each weekend. So this week I'm going to make a big batch of freezer burritos. My husband has been begging me to make these. So I used to make these for him all the time and he wanted another batch. So I have some already cooked chicken. I'm gonna chop that up. Cooked it on the barbecue with a little bit of seasoning, so it's just really plain chicken. I have this Southwest blend frozen veggies. It's great, it's already ready to go, so this is gonna be a super simple meal prep. So this has corn, black beans, bell pepper, and it's, like I said, super convenient. So I'll just thaw this out and it'll be ready to go into our burritos. I'm gonna use this green chunky salsa. It's perfect for this kind of meal, shredded cheese and sour cream. And then this week I'm gonna use some whole wheat flour tortillas. And then I will assemble this all up, wrap up the burritos, and we can store them in the freezer. So they'll be ready to go for a while and we will have this meal prepped, and it's really delicious, super healthy too, high in protein, and it's just great to have ready to go. So I will start assembling the burritos. All right, so I have my grilled chicken. It's already cooked, ready to go. So that makes this meal prep super easy. So I'm going to dice it up into some small cubes. And once it's all diced up and I have it in the bowl, I will start adding in the other ingredients for the chicken burritos. All right, so the chicken is all diced up and I'm going to add in the Southwest veggie mix. It's black beans, corn, bell pepper, there's a little bit of onion, and it was frozen and I defrosted it. So now I'm adding in the cheese. I'm gonna add in the container of sour cream. And I'm going to add in the thick and chunky green salsa. I love this salsa, it's one of my favorites. All right, I'm gonna mix all of the ingredients together so that we're ready to put it all into our tortillas to make our freezer burritos. So it's all mixed and we are ready to assemble the burritos. So I have my tortillas. I'm gonna put about 1 to 2 big spoonfuls in each tortilla. And I'm going to wrap it up like a burrito, and then I'm going to wrap it in foil for storing it, because I'm gonna put these in the freezer and they'll be ready to go. So I'm going to assemble all of the burritos. All right, so this batch of chicken freezer burritos is ready to go and prepped. So I will put these in a Ziploc bag and store them in the freezer. And when you're ready to eat them, you just heat them up in the microwave, or you can heat them up in the oven. The oven, you could leave them in the foil. In the microwave, of course, take that foil off before you heat them up. My husband likes to put a little bit of hot sauce on top to give it a little more flavor. And they're really delicious, healthy also. So check the description for the recipe for this one if you want to make them. I hope that you have a great weekend. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next video. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.